Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, finally. And if you're new, hi, my name's Alexis Jayda and welcome. Okay guys, so I've been gone for a long minute. The reason being is because I had such a nasty cold sore, like nasty. Every time it would heal, I would pick at it. I'm horrible with that. I'm probably going to scar, but I'm very, very bad with that sort of thing. If I see like I have a scab on my face, I pick it. If I can't use my fake nails, then I will grab tweezers. It's disgusting, but I am a scab picker. I do have like a little crack, but you know what? I'm gonna record. I'm like, you know what? It's okay. So finally, I got my package from Target, and it is the foundation. This is the foundation I've been wanting to try out forever. I haven't even opened it, so I was like, I'm not opening it until I do a video. So I got the shade Honey. This is 320. I hope this is my shade. I hope. It's kind of hard, you know, picking the foundations out online, and it's not going to hit stores until January. A lot of you were telling me that, so I was like, you know what? If anything, if I have to mix concealer, it's okay. I think I'm Honey because I was watching some tutorials and I was like looking at some videos and I was like, okay, me and that girl are in the same shade as L'Oreal. Maybe. Oh, me and the girl are the same shade Huda Beauty. Maybe. You know, so I was like, hopefully. Okay, so let's prep our skin. I feel like this has been forever. So I will be prepping my skin using the Drunk Elephant Marula Oil. This is so amazing, you guys. It seriously leaves my skin feeling so good. I wish everyone can just try it out. If you can get a sample, do it because it is amazing. So I'm just going to apply this on my face. I'm going to add a little bit more because I'm going to take the kids sledding and my face gets really dry outside. So I did color my hair. I don't know if you guys can see. I just missed you guys. I'm gonna be like, this happened and this happened. But I did color my hair. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like, hopefully the lights are showing it. But it is a burgundy shade. Woo! I did a video on my vlog channel, so hopefully I have that up on how I colored it. But girl, I'm really happy with how it looks. Okay, so anyways, now going in with my Temptu Liquid Glow. And this is the collaboration they did with BoxyCharm. Shaking it up.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Okay. Ooh, I'm just gonna add a couple of drops just to give my face like a glow. Okay, and I'm just gonna rub that in with my fingers. I like doing this lately a lot with my foundations just because I feel like it just makes your skin look so nice. So nice. Your skin just looks so good and healthy. Now to the actual foundation. So this is a 24-hour foundation. It says Superstay, full coverage, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer, oil free, doesn't clog your pores. Okay, so let's do it. And I will be using my Maybelline beauty sponge. Oh wait, oh dang. Oh my gosh. Going to dot this everywhere, or who knows, it just looks a little orange, a lot of orange, but I always do that, you guys. I thought the girls that I followed that are around my skin complexion, I thought for sure. So let's blend. I'm just gonna pounce this in. Damn, that is orange. Oh, I don't know if the camera's showing it, but that is orange. Yes girl, you are orange. I'm gonna take the kids sledding. That's gonna be so funny. Damn, that is orange, you guys. It just looks really crazy right here. Like you can just see it. We're just like, what is you doing? You know? What did you do? I waited so long for you, and you're gonna do me like that? All right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I already wiped off this side, is I'm going to mix my hard candy mixed in pigment drops. If you guys don't have this, I highly recommend it. I will link a video down below of me testing it out. I highly recommend this. If you guys don't have a foundation shade that matches you, this will save you. This will save you a trip to exchange, all of that good stuff. Okay, so hydrating my skin on this side because you messed up. Going back in with the highlight. We're going to add this all over our face. So this side is already doing way good. Way good. Like, way good. I really like it. So what we're gonna do add 2 drops. Okay, and then add one drop of the hard candy mix in, and we're just going to add that to our face. I think that's enough, right? Yeah, coverage is really like boom. And I'm just going to pounce this on my face. I really like the sponge. I feel like the sponge is really, really good. I'm just going to bounce this in. I wasn't wearing foundation at all. The only time I wear foundation was for Christmas. Oh my gosh. Felt like a new woman. I was like, what's up, girl? I was like really feeling myself. I feel like foundation. I feel like makeup can make you feel so good. I feel like it can really like pick you up and make you happy. All of that stuff. So now going in with my Born This Way concealer. You guys know I love using this concealer. It's very nice and I love how lightweight it feels. I like using this one, especially if a foundation shade does not match me, because I feel like it kind of evens it out. So when you ever get a foundation and you feel like, oh my gosh, and you don't want to go and exchange it, because some places will let you exchange, try to see if you can fix it with what you already have. You know what I mean? So if you're my foundation shade, I would say get golden, because honey 320 too orange, way too orange. Again, picking foundations online is so tricky. But I just really wanted it. I was like, I gotta have it. If you guys watched my vlogs, you guys seen that I was like on the hunt for it, because someone told me it was at this store and this store, and come to find out it wasn't gonna hit stores until January. So I'm like, oh, they were probably thinking I was talking about the Maybelline Better Skin. And I thought it was honey because of the videos, and I thought it was honey because I'm honey in the Maybelline one, in the Better Skin one. So it's like, nah, you're all kinds of wrong, you know? Okay, so now to contour, using my Lorac Los Angeles contouring palette. And I will be using this shade right here. It's so buttery. I feel like the coverage, really freaking good. I don't know why I always do this part now, but the other video, you guys, I didn't blend it out. And then I blended it out after, but when I noticed it, I was like, oh my gosh, you were just embarrassing me. Okay, so I'm going to use the Makeup Shack T29. This brush I've been obsessed with for my eye, for doing my eye primer. You know how I put concealer on there? It's been really good. Like really, really, really good. Like it's just so soft and oh, I love it. It's really, really good. Like when I did my makeup for the BoxyCharm video, I was really impressed. I was like, oh my gosh. I'm sorry if you hear the kids. They're just fighting it non-stop. They're on Christmas break. Oh my goodness. Just fighting up a storm. And it's like over something like, he's talking when I'm talking. I don't like that word. It's like, so I'm going in with my lower powder. You guys always try to help me pronounce it and I still butcher it. It's like telling a kid banana and they're like na na na, and I was like no, banana. It's just, I don't know, it just doesn't go in my ear right. I don't know what's going on. But going in with that, we're going to set our under eye so that it doesn't crease. This powder is so good, you guys. My nose on top, just so our nose looks like here. So I'm doing things that I normally would be doing because I'm not just gonna slap a foundation on and then go out. I'm going to do things that I normally would. So I'm like, okay, you know, and if it doesn't last, then the foundation's not for me. But if it works good, it's like, yes. Let's go in with our Smashbox contouring palette, and I will be using these two shades right here. I'm doing contouring. I'm gonna go in and just remove this powder. Okay, now for blush, I will be using the Essence Satin Touch Blush, and this is Satin Love, using a Real Techniques buffing brush. Using my Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter, and this is 100 Molten Gold, using my Morphe 5310, and we're going to highlight. Get your stash. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Lolita and the Morphe Liquid Lip and Jealousy. So mixing these two together. The Morphe Jealousy is so close to a dupe to Lolita. Like, it's very close. Like, it just blends in so good. Like, the lip liner matches it so well. Okay, so now using my Maybelline Master Fix by Face Studio. Setting spray. It is now 1:08. So here's how the foundation. Here's how the foundation looks. I'm not gonna put on any makeup, any eye makeup. Lip and foundation. It's a look for me. Okay, so here we go. I will be checking back in after we come back from sledding, and I'll let you guys know how everything else is holding up. I'm just so excited to be back. I missed you guys so much. So I'll be back with an update. I will try to do 2 updates because come on now, you know, we need 2. But I will be vlogging, so I will have that footage as well. But I will see you guys very soon, so stay tuned. Hey beautifuls, so it is 5:55. Yeah, so it is now 5:55. I've been wearing the foundation for a while. I like it. I like it a lot. I feel like it looks really, really nice. I do have to say it is like, it is a little drying, but I just love the way it just looks on the skin, especially in photos. When I took the kids sledding, I was like pulling up Snapchat, looking at my face, and I was like, okay. Really, really good. It looks really nice. It doesn't look too like caked or anything. I don't see that. I don't see it looking cakey. I feel like it looks like your skin, but really, really nice. Let me zoom in and then I'll get more detailed around my forehead and those kind of areas. So around this area right here, I do see some creasing, but nothing too crazy where it's like, damn girl. My forehead, it kind of went into my forehead lines, but again, I do a lot of face expressions. When I talk, I like to raise my eyebrows a lot. I like to like talk like this, or like what's up, like things like that. So like I don't really think too much of it. It's just this area right here. That's it. And I'm not oily. You guys, like look, no oil. Like not oil. Maybe a little bit right here, but not a lot where it normally would be. But not a lot. Not where it's like nothing like that. Highlight is still on. You can still see the contour. You can still see the blush. Highlight, all that. No complaints yet, so I will check in one last time to give you guys a final update. So it's now 11:43. Late. Okay, so this is my last check-in. The foundation held up pretty good, but I don't think it's a 24-hour wear. I know most foundations say that and stuff to kind of be like, oh, it's gonna last a long time, but I feel like 24 hours, I don't really think so, because looking at it, I can see that this creased a little bit more. I can see right here in this area, it's starting to fade a lot. My nose, there's not that much coverage on it. This side of my nose, not really. And I feel like now it's like the best time to take off the foundation, because I can now see that, okay, it's starting to fade a lot right here. I have a lot where you can see like my redness right here. A lot has disappeared. So let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Do you guys see in this area right here? Hopefully it's picking up. It is now disappearing. The product on my nose right here, don't really see it as much. It could be for me going like this, maybe I did that, but it is disappearing around here and around this area right here. It's disappearing. It went away. You can see my redness, and right here it went into my fine, right here it went into my fine lines, especially around here. and I did set it with powder. Same thing over here. You can see this crease right here. It did settle into that. So even though I said all those things, I do still think the foundation looks really, really nice. Like if I'm out and about and my face look like this, I wouldn't be worried. I wouldn't be like, oh my god, because even though my skin in this area right here, there's no foundation in here, it's not that big of a deal where it's like, oh my gosh, everyone's gonna notice. Like it faded away beautifully, so I'm not mad at it. About it settling into my fine lines right here, I might have to use a different primer and set it for a little bit longer maybe, or maybe put in some pore filler right here, a primer, but I'm not really mad at it. My highlighter, it's still kind of there, it's still very subtle, but overall it looks really, really good. I would give the foundation a 8 out of a 10, not a complete 10, just because of the fading of the foundation and how it did settle into my fine lines, but I do think it's a really nice, really, really nice foundation. I love the way it looks in pictures. I love the way it looks on camera. It looks really, really good. Like I really don't have that many complaints about it where I'm like, no, like it's not cracking. If it were to crack, then I'd be like, okay, you know what, maybe it's not worth it, but I definitely say give it a try because it does look really, really good. Hi you guys. Okay, so I just got back from Walmart. I Snapchatted you guys. It is now 7:25 and I told you guys I'm uploading my Maybelline 24-hour stay foundation video, okay? And I seen that now they have these foundations and I'm like, all this time and I did, and then the day I'm gonna upload the video, I go to Walmart and what do I see? The freaking foundation. So I told you guys I think I'm a shade down. I think I'm golden, so we will be putting that to the test. So I'm gonna prep my skin real quick. This is golden. Let's see. Yeah, this is my shade. Okay, so now let's just pounce this in. The foundation still looks a little bit orange, but I do think this would be my shade. Yeah. Like once I do it all. And the coverage is really good. Like I really do like the coverage. So here is this side. Foundation. No foundation. Foundation. No foundation. So here is a close-up. I do think I am golden. Let me know what you guys think. I really, yeah, I think I'm golden. Yeah, I feel like I'm golden. Okay, so done. Quick, just glam for New Year's. So I do think I am golden. This one is honey. Honey is just a little bit too orange for me. When I did mix it in with my hard candy, it did work, but if you just want something not just one shade, I would say go for the golden. If you are my shade in other foundations, I do think golden, yeah, golden, it's golden. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy New Year's 2018. Isn't that crazy? Well, it's going to be in a couple hours, but that's freaking nuts. I just want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for being part of the fam bam, for loving me, for having my back, for always being there. It never goes unnoticed. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this foundation review. Te quiero mucho. Bye.